In this video, we will explore the significance of preventive maintenance in fleet management and how electronic logging devices can revolutionize maintenance practices. Let's dive in. Preventive maintenance is vital in fleet management to ensure vehicle reliability and performance. By conducting regular inspections and maintenance tasks, fleet managers can catch potential issues early on, minimize breakdowns, and enhance driver safety. ELD are digital systems that record and track a commercial motor vehicle's hours of service and other relevant data. They are mandatory for commercial vehicles in many countries, including US and Canada, replacing traditional paper logs. ELD offers several benefits for fleet managers, including accurate HOS tracking ensures compliance and reduces violations and penalties. Improved driver safety by monitoring and enforcing rest breaks and driving hours. Streamlined record keeping with automatic generation and digital storage of electronic logs. Enhanced data collection of engine hours, mileage, and diagnostics for optimizing maintenance schedules. Leverage ELD data to identify trends, anticipate maintenance needs, and ensure vehicle reliability and performance. ELD have become indispensable tools for fleet management. They serve multiple purposes, including accurate hours of service tracking, improved driver safety, and streamlined record keeping. ELD automate the logging of driver activities, replacing traditional paper logs and reducing the chances of errors or violations. They ensure compliance with regulations and provide real-time data insights that benefit both drivers and fleet managers. Advanced ELD systems have the capability to analyze vehicle data and identify patterns, anomalies, and potential maintenance issues. This concept is known as predictive maintenance. The predictive capabilities of ELD empower fleet managers to take proactive measures, maximizing vehicle uptime and minimizing unexpected repairs. Practical tips and strategies for utilizing ELD data in preventive maintenance planning. Regular data analysis. Analyze ELD data to identify maintenance patterns, trends, and potential issues. Maintenance alerts. Set up alerts based on ELD data for timely maintenance tasks. Integration with software. Integrate ELD data with fleet management or maintenance systems for better decision-making and automated workflows. Utilize vehicle utilization data. Leverage ELD data on engine hours, mileage, and usage to optimize vehicle allocation and maintenance scheduling. Predictive maintenance. Use advanced ELD systems to predict maintenance needs and address issues proactively. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of preventive maintenance and ELD insights. Drive safe and remember, preventive maintenance is the key to a successful fleet management strategy.